I just gave you an instant 12x overnight. Or in other words, your $500 is now worth $6,000 in less than 24 hours.
Francis Dune Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dune Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers. Today, over here is where we drop alpha like if it's rain, and yesterday is a perfect example of that. We actually combined it with a video that where we first introduced our alpha chat, private chat that is. I don't think it could have been a better video to pair that introduction where our subscribers and viewers hit an instant 12x, and it's currently hanging around the 9x mark, give or take, which we're going to get into further detail. And once again, these type of plays, we're going to be sharing it exclusively in our private chat that we just created yesterday, which was pretty much, voted and was in demand by a lot of you guys. The majority of everybody here on this channel has been saying, hey, look, we want the alpha chat we wanted, so we created it for you guys. And the people who, pretty much got into this play here, even at the current prices, we're talking about bid, which is creator bid, the competitor for Virtual's protocol on base. We said in the video yesterday that how there's no way I don't see this thing not going over 100 million. Maybe it happens instantly, maybe it takes a little bit of time. And sure enough, it has done exactly as we predicted. They're launching it at a 25 million fully diluted valuation. This thing is going to be worth more than that. Okay, their token is their own token. So Virtual's token is in the billions. I'm not saying that's what they're going to get to, but let me tell you, man, I do see them going over 100 million. That's a 4xer right there. When would that happen? Maybe it happens instant. Maybe it takes some time, but it's like, I don't want to say definitely, but it's highly likely that's going to happen. I just don't know how Creator Bid's very own token is not going to go over 100 million when we see Virtuals in the billions. And they're the second best AI agent launchpad on base. And they have this alliance with Binance. If they get listed on Binance, especially, bro, this shit's going to blow up. So I'm just bringing the alpha to you guys, although I can't even get in. I do see them going over 100 million. That's a 4xer right there. And these types of value pack content and plays, and picks are going to be exclusive now to our private alpha chats. And we have members there, and we're going to drop something very, very cool for them today. So if you want in on that action, make sure you go on over to the link in the form of a pinned message. I'm going to keep that in the comment section, pinned. Also in the description box, you can find the link to our chat and then follow the basic instructions if you want in on the next big gainer or the next opportunity. And that's exactly what we're going to be delivering our members. And, they've already made back their money and then some, right? Because this thing has done, 12x, even 9x. They pretty much just made back 18 times their money. So this is the type of value we're going to be bringing, and let's just go over what we unearthed and we shared with everybody while introducing our private chat, which is pretty awesome here. So let's just show everybody here what we're talking about exactly if you're new to the channel. So right here, this was the token at hand. It was BID, which is the official token for Creator Bid. That's another AI agent launchpad. It is the competitor to Virtuals, as I alluded to. And right here, it was 0.025 cents or 2.5 cents to get into that particular sale. And by the way, there's something that I want to bring up. I personally was not even able to get into this because where I live, my country is banned or my province is banned. But I just wanted to bring the alpha to you guys to let y'all get in. And, a lot of people did, and they've been thanking me. So, that's what we're doing. We're going to keep the ball rolling, and we're just going to deliver fire valued content along with, some plays. So right here, if you head on over to the Creator Bid's official Twitter, which is right here at Creator Bid, they give us the contract address. They both are on BNB and base. In this video here, I was showing you guys it on base, right? Sorry, on BNB rather, not base. So this right here was on base. If you carry on to the actual tutorial part of it later on in the video, right here, the guide was showing us here, as you can see, right? Binance Square. This is the Binance wallet. When we take this contract address, the BNB chain, we carry on over to right here, deck screener, we could easily see it went to 30 cents, right? And, right, as I showed you guys not too long ago in this video, it was at how much? 2.5 cents, okay? Right about here. So, right there, 2.5 cents. So if we do the basic math on that, that works out to be 12x. So when we divide the all-time high, 30 cents, divided by 0.025, you get exactly 12x. Okay, well, where it's at right now, it's at 0.23 cents or 23 cents. We could do the simple math on that. Right, that's going to give us, divided by 0.025, about 9x, yeah, 9.2x. So guys, in other words, we won't even use the all-time high, which is $6,000, right? Your 500 at these prices are now worth just over $4,500. Not too bad for a play in less than 24 hours, right? Also, we said that how we don't see this staying below the 100 million mark. And sure enough, that's what exactly took place here. Now, if we head on over to the market cap tab, that's going to display that for us very well and unmistakably clear. It's 169 million. And when we carry back on over to yesterday's video, they were launching at a fully, right here, a fully diluted valuation of 25 million market cap. That was an absolute blowout game winner, so to speak. Like, it was a no-brainer, man. For people who aren't familiar with CreatorBit, again, they are a very quality launchpad in the base ecosystem, and I'm led to believe that how the token, and I don't even own any as yet still, I'm waiting for a dip if it comes, and, you know, dips always do come. We just got to wait a bit. I think, you know, there's going to be an airdrop coming too as well. If you want access to that, I'll leave the link for that for you in the description box and in the form of a pinned message as well. We've promoted that about 3 weeks ago. And I think we might see a little bit of a dip, and I might enter there. Or maybe not. We'll see, because the team behind CreatorBit are very professional. They know how market move. They got market makers intact. And, you know, them kind of like doing this launch on Binance Wallet. I'm not saying they're going to go live on Binance, but it's definitely not out of the realm of possibility that they do such things. So I see a very bright future here for CreatorBit. I do see them reaching in, you know, the higher triple million figures, right? So they're at 168. I do see them crossing that 400 million mark at some point, 500 million mark in the near future, in the foreseeable future. You know, the whole AI agent field has really just started right now. It really has, you know. It truly has. The whole DeFi, and I'm talking about not decentralized finance, but decentralized artificial intelligence, right? Finance, so to speak, right? I think that has just started. So you guys are in this market at the right place at the right time. And you want to also be in the right place and the right time. You want to come over to our AAA private alpha chat. This is where all of this type of alpha, like you saw right here, doing 12xers literally overnight, is going to take place in that chat. We've got a lot going on there. It's not just alpha chat, guys. This is a place where we're going to show people the tools you need to separate yourself from the pack to have a competitive edge. The tools I've used, literally, and I'm not talking about the one on YouTube already. That's part of it. That's probably 1/5 of it. There's other things that, you know, that I keep to myself and my team, and we're going to share with our alpha members. And look, the content over here is still going to be fire, don't get me wrong. We're going to be dropping mad alpha here too, but to a certain degree. And I mean, talking about to a certain degree, we are seeing this in real time happen, like it's pumping. So, you know, let's see what takes place here. This probably was a nice place to buy in at this point, obviously, or even here, one could argue. And it looks like it topped out here, okay? And back down around these levels, give or take. And now we're starting to see maybe lower highs. And then we might see it come back down about here. And then it kind of like goes down and then back up and then down and back up. That's a bullish indicator of new highs to come. But let's see what happens. Definitely long term, this is one that you want to get your hands on. It's literally almost like comparable to saying getting virtuals at 170 million market cap. I still believe there will be a dip, you know, around maybe the 140 million market cap in the days to come, and maybe to the 120, and that's where I'm going to scoop up some. Maybe I'm wrong and I don't get my entry. That has happened to me before. But once, you know, you're safe from the knowledge, knowing this token definitely has a bright future, it's up to you when you want to really pick it up. All right. So that's the alpha there. Really good, you know, play to add in with our alpha chat right in that video. Doing 12x, currently sitting at more than 9x right now. 9.5x. We're printing over here at the Alpha Alphonso chat, and we want you guys to come join us. Check the link below if you're interested. Until the next one, your ass is on your own, bro. Later.
Francis Dune, Uncensored.